Today I'm going to be taste testing Swedish fish from Sweden. It's like a fish sauce thing in here. Oh. It smells so weird.
You're gonna try it, I go try it.
Hey, you could try this one.
No, we can both try this one.
How do we get this? How do we get the rest of this thing open?
Okay, this is weird. I can't pry it open, like this one right here. Yeah. Well, you're gonna share one, right? Yeah. I don't know if we can get that other one open. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna need a fork. Give me one, please. No problem, dude. That's disgusting. Yeah, you can try it, Jim. No thanks. This is fine. No thanks. You have to try. Okay. Alright.
Here we go. Oh, jeez. Okay, first bite. Okay, I'm gonna put a napkin.
It's actually good.
I hate it.
It's good, Jenny. You should try it.
I'm good.
See, those are ketchup inside. You don't like ketchup?
Wait, well, not that way. Jeez. Oh, gross.
If you're not really, well, I am a seafood person, but I do not like fish that much. So, guys, if you are not a fish person, or just not a seafood person in general, I do not recommend this.
This is JC Dragonite trying it. Oh gosh. It smells really bad. What is this? It's fish beneath the saucy sauce. Alright. Fish? Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's fish. Try it. Try it.
Yummy.
Oh, yes. What do you have to say about this JC Dragonite?
It was, oh gosh, that was special. It was good at first, and then the fish part kicked in, and
I'd say that's not my type of seafood,
Yeah,
because I prefer shrimp or crab.
yeah, if you guys like seafood, good for you, but I'm just not a fish person.
I like seafood, but I don't like fish.